How to retrieve inserted ID after inserting row in SQLite using Python. How to retrieve inserted ID after inserting row in SQLite using Python. I have table like this. I insert a new row with example data username equals test and password equals test. How do I retrieve the generated ID in a transaction safe way? This is for a website solution where two people may be inserting data at the same time. I know I can get the last read row, but I don't think that is transaction safe. Can somebody give me some advice?
You could use cursor.lastRowId, see optional DB API extensions. If two people are inserting at the same time, as long as they are using different cursors, cursor.lastRowId will return the ID for the last row that cursor inserted. Note that lastRowId returns none when you insert more than one row at a time with execute Minnie.